welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are doing our February monthly reads, February 2021. If you hear anything in the background, that's my puppy. He's not sleeping and he's just walking around. Although he's sleepy, but I don't know what's going on. But he's in his house, so okay. You might hear some background music in this read, Cancerians. This read is going to be for our Cancers for the month of February 2021. We'll have a look at your recent past and then the present situation, and then we'll see how your February month is going to be. That will be the immediate future. Jerry. Okay, anyways, we'll just have to ignore that sound which is coming and which will keep coming during this read, but I do have to take this out because there are certain energies that are actually telling me to take it out. So let's see, Cancerians, how your recent past has been. Cancerians, Judgment. Okay. Judgment, trying to make a judgment in terms of your love life, Cancers. Maybe speaking to someone or thinking of speaking to that certain person, thinking of whether you should approach this person or not, what the person will be thinking. Yeah, that is the kind of energy that I'm feeling for you, because we also have the Lovers here. So I think, Cancerians, you are ready. The other person's also ready, because it's all divinely guided that I see. It could be a soulmate. So in the recent past, all you were dealing with was this judgment, and then trying to make a certain decision. This could be a water sign that you're connecting with, or an air sign, but for most of you I do see it's a water sign. So your fellow water sign. This kind of energy in the recent past could be because of the full moon that just went. Yeah, because this emotional imbalance, I won't say emotional imbalance, but still there are delays. There's some kind of imbalance in the energies that is not letting you to speak to this person. Let's see what your present situation explains. Cancerians, present situation. Okay, universe, please. Cancerians, present situations. Present situation of our Cancers. Okay. Holding yourself very stronger. Whosoever was coming in the way of you trying to approach this certain person, whosoever was coming in the way, you have cut all those people off, or you are actually cutting everybody off from. You are having a very confident and you're having a very confident conversation with these people with all the strength. You do have the strength card here, so I do see you gaining a lot of strength, and it could be a twin flame situation for some of you, because with the strength card here, you have the inner strength in you. I won't say that you're trying to gain it. You have the inner strength in you, and that's going to give you a lot of peace, a lot of happiness with the 10 of Cups. Possibly a marriage for some of you, because I do think that it's a committed relationship and you'll be growing old with this person. So that is the present situation that I see, and the judgment you have made about this certain person, that I have to approach this person. Howsoever, that has taken, or that is still taking, a lot of strength for you, but you have already gained the strength to battle with everyone around, because there are a lot of people who don't want you to go towards this person. So you have gained that strength, but to approach this person, yeah, you still need some kind of strength. That's what I see here. Let's see how your immediate future, your February season will be. February 2021 for Cancerians, the immediate future. Universe, please show us the energies of Cancerians for February 2021. Yeah, in the immediate future, I do see you trying to approach this certain person. Although you are resistant, you are trying to hold yourself back, because again, as I said, you are still gaining the strength to approach this person. And you know, this person is your everything. You know, this person, okay, we have the Knight of Cups, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant here. So with the Hierophant, definitely by the end of February you will have the strength, because I do see you pretty stable here, like the High Priest that's sitting right there. So you are pretty stable. You have gained the strength to approach this person. But I would still need to take clarifiers here. I would still need to take the clarifier for the Seven of Cups. Why is the Seven of Cups coming there? Okay. Instability. Emotions are overflowing. Yeah, emotions are definitely overflowing. Undecision. Okay, you are not trying to gain the emotional stability. Not even emotional stability, but the stability you need in your life. There's still some kind of undecision on your end, and that's why you're not able to approach this person here. But we do have the High Priestess, and then we have the High Priest too. So you will get to know certain aspects of this person that are gonna lead you to approach this person again. So yeah, you will get to know something. You are resistant to talk to this person. Maybe you have something in your mind. Maybe you think that this person's already in a committed relationship. Could be anything. You have some kind of misunderstanding, misconceptions, I would say, for this. But the secrets will be revealed, and they will be revealed pretty soon to you. And then we have the High Priest. That will eventually give you a lot of stability. That will eventually give you the stability. And see, you underneath the deck, the overall situation, we have the King of Swords. You'll be stable in your energy. You will feel that, you know, I'm stable, I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm going towards is the right thing for me. So that's the, we'll still see what's the outcome for the month of February. Overall outcome, although, is the strength. So you have to keep up with your strength. And again, we have the King of Swords. So yeah, February, you have the King of Swords. So this is particularly for the person you're dealing with. If you're a cross watcher and watching it for your partner, this person demands respect. And yes, this person will approach you, means the Cancer will approach you, but you know, they demand respect. This person will come towards you. And if you're a Cancerian and if you're listening to this read, whosoever person is coming in between you and the person you're trying to approach, whosoever is trying to stop you, you'll be very cold with them. You'll be very kind of a brutal personality with them. You will just give them, you'll just cut them off from your life. You're like, you know, I'm done. I just don't want any more shit in my life. I am done with this. I don't want to explain anything to anyone. I don't want to deal with this. And you will just go straight towards the person, because the only thing you have in your mind right now is you have to go and approach this person, and you need this marriage, you need this stable relationship with this person. That's all. And you're only working on your strength to gain strength to actually go and approach the person. Otherwise, whosoever comes your way, you'll be like, don't even try. You'll be very cold with them. Okay, Cancerians, that was your February read. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And we will also see what is the guidance from the universe for our Cancerians for February 2021. Cancerians, this emotional stability, instability actually, not stability, emotional imbalance could be due to the Mercury retrograde energy since you're a water sign and it's affecting you. Universe, please guide our Cancerians. Okay. Possibly you will be traveling and you'll be ending a certain relationship. So if you are making any kind of travel plans across the sea that I see here, just remember you'll have to end a lot of relationships, a lot of friendships to have a peaceful life and to grow old with the person that you want, to start a relationship with the person that you want. And do not be disheartened, improvements are on the way. There's peace of mind, there's contentment. This person's gonna give you peace of mind, and this person's actually gonna change your whole thinking from a negative perspective to a very positive perspective here. So that is what the universe is guiding you. So definitely I do see there are travel plans and you could be traveling overseas. So that was your guidance, Cancerian. Let me know if it resonated with you, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want a personal read with me, I'll be posting the link in the description down below. Simply click on the link and we shall be in touch with you. And I'll see you guys all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.